chips here.
Ooh,
Put these on the side. I tried to give you one. I don't want to hear it.
No, I want you to eat because I love you.
He's showing out for y'all.
You come first. I think you have a piece of your steak.
Do y'all prefer the sour cream in the tube or the one where you take the spoon? Which one you like better? This one or the other one?
That was probably more fresher to me. I'm not a real sour cream fan, but that was a little better.
I think they do it because it's easier to come out.
Where's your other bits at?
The towel is over there, I think. Or you can look in this drawer right here. I have towels in there too. I also prefer this restaurant style pecane sauce. Oh, check the closet right here. That closet up there. I forgot I moved them. This one's the best thing next to the one at the restaurant, I promise y'all. Did you get some of this picante sauce already?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. We could. I already said my grace, y'all don't come for me, okay?
Very low on the steak.
Y'all look at that. All that goodness. Remind me to show y'all the refrigerator. We got a new refrigerator yesterday. It has Alexa built in on it. Oh. Whenever you say her name, honey, she hears everything. Watch this. Alexa, play Michael Jackson. Watch this. Volume up 3 times. Y'all hear that? Alexa, max volume. Alexa, stop. Alexa. Alexa, stop.
Stop.
I told y'all. It has so many features on there. It has YouTube. It has Amazon Music. It has Instacart. You can order your groceries from your refrigerator. If I tell y'all, we're living in the Jetsons age. We are definitely living in the Jetsons age. No doubt about it. I think I may do a steak taco too.
Everything you do is good, honey.
Yeah, I know you're showing out. Do y'all like tomatoes? Let me know in the comments. Mr. doesn't like tomatoes. Not a tomato fan. I love tomatoes, especially with salt and pepper. So yeah, I know we went to IKEA the other day. That store has so much stuff in it. What'd you like about IKEA? Or did you like it?
IKEA.
They have a lot of contemporary furniture.
To me, it's like a bunch of. I'm not an IKEA fan. I wouldn't buy a lot of stuff at IKEA at all.
Would there be anything you would buy from there? Like the cutting boards I got. I think that was good.
The cutting boards,
the dishes, silverware.
Plates.
The dishes are a good price. Mugs. They have plants, live and artificial plants.
Yeah. To me, I think I would just go to a normal furniture place if I'm going to go there. It's a bit honest. I mean, that's how I feel about it. But you know, to each his own. IKEA's a great store. Just like all other things.
The only thing I didn't like was the fact that when you buy a dresser, you have to bolt the dresser to your wall. It has a tip over hazard.
Well, that's a sign. Don't buy it.
Yeah. And they put that before you even purchase it. It has a tip over hazard. So if anything happens, they're not liable. Because you're supposed to either nail it or bolt it to your wall.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I've never heard of that before.
No ice.
Yeah, these are so good. If y'all didn't know, he is up there on that VR. Have y'all heard of the Oculus? It's the new virtual reality. And he is literally obsessed with it. I may go walk. I'm not sure. It's 7 o'clock. It doesn't get late here till about 8, a little bit after 8, so I may be able to make it. Tomorrow we're probably gonna get something to eat after I pick you up with lunchy. Before we have to go pick up Noah.
Give me a sour cream.
I'm full, y'all. But before I go, I do want to show y'all the refrigerator.
Okay, Noah, can you please get out of the refrigerator? I'm gonna show the family the refrigerator. So y'all, it is a Samsung, and I'll put the information in the link below of what kind it is and all of the information. We have our time on here. It has a water as well as an ice maker, automatic ice dispenser. The door is here on the side of the opening. There is the ice maker. We haven't put a lot of stuff in there yet. They just delivered it, so this is what we are working with. That's what it looks like on that side. What is the problem? Give him his phone. Okay, guys, so the water is here. I'm gonna organize it, you know, and as far as some type of organization there. But yeah, this is what the inside of it looks like. And here's the outside. It has Alexa built in. You have your apps on here. Let's see, you can click apps. Okay, it has Amazon Music, a calendar, a meal planner, internet, Instacart. You can order your groceries directly from Instacart on here. We have iHeartRadio, Grubhub, picture gallery there. We have Pandora. If you have the Ring doorbell app on your phone, you could actually just click on that and look and see if somebody rings your doorbell. The picture of them will come up here, which is very, very cool. Smart recipes, shopping list, to-do list, trivia, tune in, weather, whiteboard, and a couple of other things on there. But the favorite part to me, my favorite part of this whole thing is I can say, Alexa, play Michael Jackson. Oh, she want to act funny because I got y'all here. Wait a minute. Alexa, play Michael Jackson.
Shuffling songs by Michael Jackson
Oh,
on
okay.
Amazon Music.
There she go. What is today's date?
Today is Tuesday, May 24th.